Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can apply fade effect in Canva. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and here we go. So first of all, open up your Canva on your browser. Inside the website, click on create new button to create a new canvas from the scratch. Select the dimensions to your liking. I'm going to keep the settings I selected before, and then you just have to click on create. After that, you can select any image. It can be either from the web or you can use your upload files. To use your upload files, simply click on upload on the left side menu. Choose any image or select any image you want to apply fade to, and after that, just click and drag it into your canvas and resize it. After resizing, just click on elements on the left side menu and search for gradient. Select any gradient from the list and drag it into the image. Resize the gradient so that it covers all of the image, and simply then click and drag the fade bit by bit while pressing Alt simultaneously. And you're done. That's how you can apply fade effect in Canva. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.